You see this these are new species. These are new species. This is People's Space Garden. This is what I found in the garden I work as the project manager. I can't believe all this is new. This is new species. Gosh, things are so beautiful. You can see it. Look at the inside. That is the inside, and that is the outside. I have two of them. Extremely beautiful creature. You can see how beautiful they are. Look. This is Pastor Samuel Bakari. Look. This is new species in my garden. I don't know the name. But God. I can't believe it.